Hey friends, if your Kia displays the check forward collision avoidance assist system warning, don't assume the safety system has stopped working permanently. Forward collision avoidance assist or FCA helps detect vehicles, pedestrians, and in some models cyclists by using a front camera and depending on the vehicle, a radar sensor. When either sensor can't provide reliable information or the system detects an abnormal condition, FCA temporarily disables itself and displays this message. The cause is often related to visibility, alignment, or recent vehicle work rather than a failed sensor. Before scheduling a repair, try these simple checks. Step 1. Inspect the windshield near the front camera for aftermarket tint or stickers. Step 2. Make sure the front license plate isn't blocking the radar sensor. Step 3. Confirm the front grille is properly secured after recent repairs. Step 4. Check for a pending software update during your next Kia service visit.